So today we're at Phillip Island, a Grand Prix circuit in Victoria, and we're doing what's called an advanced driver training day with our Porsche clients. So it's an opportunity for our clients to bring their own cars to a track day. So we run them through 3 warm-up exercises in the morning, preparing them for open track lapping in the afternoon.
As an instructor, our role here today is to help the customers learn a little bit about their cars and how to drive them correctly. So exercises are designed in a way that exploit different technology in the car, but make a real focus on the driving technique.
Okay, we're good to go then. So obviously with that one, okay, a little closer there. So using that vision, looking further down the road will help with that. All right, good job, well done there.
Good stuff, nice aggression on the wheel. He had the wheels pointing in the right direction all the time, well done.